Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2x equals to 2 cosine x squared minus 1 and sine 2x equals to 2 sine x cosine x. So we need to put this one goal here. About sine 2x to the power of 2. That's about this one. But we have the power 2 in here. So we have 4 sine x squared cosine x squared. 1 minus 1 we cancel. And now we need to simplify 2 cosine x squared on numerator and denominator. So I need to put 1 over 2 go outside. And this one we change cosecant of x squared. The integration of this one, we have negative cotangent x and we put about c. And this is the final answer. Now we apply the same formula for this one. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine x squared equals to 1 minus cosine 2x over number 2. So, I need to put this one going here. 2 simplified by number 2. The integration of number 1, we have x. The integration of cosine 2x, we have 1 over 2 sine 2x and we put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.